Saturday, November 21st, the whole shop is going to Armature Works in Tampa, DuPont Registries, Cars and Coffee. We're gonna go on a shopping spree tonight and get a shit ton of toys for kids in need, for Toys for Tots. We're gonna bring them out there Saturday. So we're gonna take you all along with some hidden cameras on a shopping spree, and you can go with us Forza style. We're gonna have Brenton out there, who won the Speed Society Hellcat giveaway car. He actually lives in Tampa, so he's 20, 30 minutes from the shop. So his car's gonna be out there. Any of y'all that wanna meet him, talk to him, and see that yes, real people actually win the car's gonna be out there. So it's gonna be a good time, we can't wait.
Yeah, Dookie's like the nominated mascot, and he will be at our events, so don't bring your dogs, because he's not friendly. Just kidding.
Vamos a ir ahorita ahí al Walmart. Vamos a ir con muchos gringos a coger unos juguetes para los niños que no tienen nada. Aquí Logan va a ir con nosotros.
Sí, papi.
Va a escoger los Barbie dolls. Boom Cash.
You ready to go get toys, buddy? Huh?
What kind of toys are you looking to buy first?
Well, I always grew up with Nerf guns, cool stuff like that. So I'm thinking I'm probably gonna hit the Nerf aisle, see what we can find.
I think so. I saw you take your shoe off.
I had a rock in there.
You had a rock. Duke, do you have anything to say?
Huh?
Oh, I'm gonna have to buy this, dog. This is amazing. So, we got fishing poles for you guys who want to, like how to fish. You'll always catch something.
Give a man a fish, he eats for a night. Teach him how to fish, he eats for life.
One cart full of boy stuff, $500. One cart full of girl stuff, $500. And then we could do like another cart with girl and boy bikes and helmets.
You think boys and girls need helmets, or is that not needed?
On camera, yes, everybody should wear a helmet. Off camera, no, I never wore a helmet.
Well, no wonder why you're so retarded.
Okay, here, this is $500, we're done.
I win. Race over. Andrew wins, as per usual.
Okay, so the boy cart is totally done. So we got that. So we got Tara manning the girl cart. Let's get an update. So the boy cart, Andrew like killed it with the boy cart. Like he got that quick. Let's go see what Tara has done.
Tara, you got quite a big of an upgrade here in your cart. It looks a little bit more than the $30 you started with. What all did you get so far?
Well, I got some horses and some big baby dolls. Oh, okay, I had to get this though because I work I work at an animal hospital too. Look how cute this is.
I'm helping him find motorcycles.
What about these ones?
You want this one?
This is the most important thing. Do you know what?
It is, yeah. Making kids happy?
So the girl cart is up to like, I think they got $30 left. Chalupe bought one lucky young boy a cup, protective cup. So that could come in handy for the bike.
Man, I was like 12 wearing that thing.
Yeah, so we're gonna put that specifically from Chalupe with his name on it in Sharpie marker. So some lucky kid is gonna get a cup, what every 5-year-old kid wants. So you use it as a face mask for COVID.
Kind of feels like yours, huh?
We're gonna demonstrate how safe these are. All right, test dummy
Yeah,
number one.
brother.
Yeah.
Okay. Ready? How many fingers am I holding?
You're on forward, brother.
All right.
So I think we're done. So we've got probably we're shooting for like ballpark like $1,500 worth of toys. I think we got like $1,800. It's probably not super accurate math, but we got like basically like a cart full of boy stuff, a cart full of girl stuff, and then like a mixed match. So the third cart we kind of did like scooters, yeah, scooters, helmets, stuff that's like boy or girl could ride. We did like kick stick or whatever the hell that thing is.
Yeah,
rip stick, yeah, whatever the hell.
This is the helmet that Logan put on for safety reasons. It's personalized. It's got my fist print in it right here. So I'm gonna sign it Bimble. And when we're famous, some kid's gonna sell us for $1 million. Double charity.
Okay, so everything's good. We're now gonna go to the front and check out. We're not stealing anything, promise.
That makes it sound like we're stealing.
Yeah, right.
I said everybody here is like volunteering their time. We're here at night. I don't even know what time it is. 9:10. But everybody's here volunteering their time. The video guys are videoing this. Everybody here is here because they want to be. So it's pretty cool, you know.
Funhouse active, king of the palace, rubber like Malcolm, balled up fist in the air to the flashlight, yeah, hands up in the air till they gun me down, I keep it 100, they crunching the numbers, I'm out, young hitter, got a fetish for success, if I ain't next and I just leave impression, next to rain on the window pane, puffin' plain Jane, let them second guess me, wanna cop the Porsche with the Porsche.
Okay everybody, we're out here at Armature Works Car Show. You all went shopping with us, so here are all the toys. There's a ton of stuff out here. A lot of people donated, which is a really cool cause. So we're just gonna walk around and kind of check things out. So Logan, he's been going around. Logan and Kayla have been putting business cards on the windshield wipers. Just trying to promote and stuff. There's a lot of exotic cars here. People that want an alternative to going to the dealership. More personalized service, which is kind of what we cater to. So good opportunity for us to come out and promote. Oh, this is badass. Look at this. Toys for Tots at Huracan. Look at that car. You already seen it?
Yeah, I took a picture of it.
Did you? They only have this 4 times a year, so it's not very often. This is one of the biggest cars and coffees of this part of Florida. And in Armature Works, this is just a real cool place. It's a real trendy place. There's a lot of cool restaurants to go to. Weather here is gorgeous. So, and plus it's Toys for Tots, which is for a good cause. The other events, I'm not 100% sure, but I don't know if they're specifically for an event like this. So this is obviously has a purpose behind it, which we're all for. So good opportunity. Plus I think everybody's tired of being cooped up for COVID. It's a safer outdoor event, you know, where people can social distance easier, which is good for everybody. Somebody said there's a Pagani here.
Yeah, it's over here.
Said there's a Pagani here, so let's go check that out. Yeah, that's badass. It's an Aventador SVJ. I like that blue. Yeah, it's a Porsche 918.
The color, the calipers and stuff like that.
Yeah.
It's really cool.
These are like $1 million car. I mean, I feel like they're kind of like in different categories. I love Lamborghini, but Pagani is more. It's just like just artwork, you know. I mean, it's just so unique. It's kind of hard to compare the two, honestly. There's like no plastic. Everything's like carbon, leather,
this
metal.
Is sick. And the whole outside is all carbon too.
Yeah, the whole body.
That is intense, dude. That is ridiculous.
See like the door, see the red thing, that's how you open it?
Yep.
It's got a leather thing and you pull it back, it's all metal.
Wow.
Isn't that crazy? If you could see it, if the door was open, like, right there. See that leather strap?
Yeah.
That's like a leather watch strap. That's how the back opens. It's got a buckle in there. Undo the buckle, the leather strap, and the back lifts open like that.
Wow. That's crazy, dude. You ought to see which car was it. This Senna right here. The doors, there's like you see the clear part on the door?
Yeah.
On the lower part, I think that's pretty sick too.
Here's a McLaren Senna. This is a pretty rare car, obviously. Yeah, look inside there.
Literally all carbon.
Yeah. So the clear thing on the door, I think that's badass. See the clear thing? You see through the door? It's a McLaren Senna. These are super rare cars. I love these things. The drastic lines, like the huge scoop in the hood, the clear section in the door. There's just a lot of really cool features on this thing. Hey, look who it, look. Can I get your autograph?
What's up, bud?
Can I get your autograph?
You want my autograph, bud?
Yeah. Can you sign my boob?
I'll sign your pack. What's up, bud?
What's up, buddy? It's Chalupe. Lamborghini right now is building, if I had to guess, I'd say probably around 5,500 cars per year. It might be more than that. I don't really know. I'm just taking a guess. But I think they only make around 30 Paganis per year. So that just goes to show you how few and rare there are. You have a company like maybe Toyota, they might make like 10 million cars a year. So very, very rare, extremely hand-built, attention to detail is crazy. So it's kind of in a different, even a higher league than a Lamborghini if that can be possible. But if you really get up close to it and look, and if you ever had the chance to actually look at one, especially like the interior, the attention to detail, it's absolutely phenomenal. It reminds me of like the inside of a Swiss watch where they have the exposed and you can see the internals. That literally looks like that in a form of a car. So phenomenal cars. Yeah, so this thing looks pretty cool. Dude, come on. I don't even know what the hell this is, but look at all the bolts on the wheels and shit. Dude, look at all that. 17,000 pounds. That's what that weighs. I think it's a really good show. There's like a really wide variety of vehicles out here. There's some super exotic stuff, which you don't get the chance to see all the time. Then there's your typical muscle car type stuff. So there's something for everybody. It doesn't matter what kind of car you like. It's just a really good event overall. So I'm a fan.
All right, so right now we're putting, they actually supplied boxes for all the toys through the whole event. So we're putting all the toys in the boxes now so we could donate them. And then event was pretty cool. There was tons of clean cars, tons of cool cars, a lot of exotic cars. I think there was a few hypercars here. There was a Senna. Other than that, man, it was pretty cool. It's starting to get a little drizzly now, but it's okay because it's almost over. I think it's 10:30, so the event ends at 11. It was really cool though. It was kind of early for the Forza team. Usually we're sleeping right now, but other than that, man, it was sick. And then we got Braxton here too, so it was even better.
I think the event was great. It's for a really good cause. The Armature Works area is a really nice area, so it's a cool spot to have a car event. A lot of different kind of cars for whatever your taste is, so really something for everybody. There's good food here. It's right here on the river, so pretty good. And this kind of gives us a little precursor to our event that's going to be next weekend. Next Sunday, it'll be Back to Blue. It will be a monthly event we're going to have. We're going to pick a cause for every single month. So this month is going to be pro police. We'll probably do a lot of that, pro police, pro law enforcement, first responders, military, stuff like that. So looking forward to seeing everybody next weekend.